Atelier E. I make sustainable clothes and jewelry. And this is Laurel.
Hi, my name is Laurel, and my company's name is Grateful Flower, and my focus is natural dyeing and sustainable clothing.
And we're here today because we're going to do a tutorial on how to dye fabric naturally and then take that fabric and make items that you could reuse that normally would be made out of paper perhaps, or things like coasters, placemats, reusable toilet paper, napkins, etc. So we're going to teach you really great sustainable ways to reuse the things that normally you would maybe throw out, and also do it in really earth-friendly ways. So enjoy the ride with us.